Hello and welcome back. I hope you're okay, you are safe and staying at your home. Fine. So in this video we'll learn about how to create a turntable for our project. First of all, I'm just zooming in. Okay, so we are having here animation workspace, this one, and here is the setup for animation workspace. First of all, I need to select all those and then Ctrl plus G. Now to create a turntable, just go with here animation tab, and go for visualize, create turntable, option box, 360 clockwise, turntable, done. It's over. Now come here, panel, and check. There is one more camera, that is turntable camera. Fine. So just play here, and here is the animation. Now frame, increase this timeline, 360. By any chance, if you're using Maya Classic workspace, then just go for Windows, Animation Editor, Graph Editor. It's here. Group 2, here's the graph. I'm using here linear. Now play. Better. So this is the way to create a turntable for your character. Fine. So this lesson was like this, and if it is helpful for you, then please don't forget to like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.